This is probably the boldest I've ever went in color. I got a mirror right here, so I'm looking at this too. But this is probably the boldest I've ever went in color. In color. I already said that. Hey y'all, it's Aja Monet, and I'm coming to y'all with this hair from Tinashe Hair. So they sent me a 12-inch blonde bob, and this isn't like the traditional bob where it's just like blunt cut. It's like high-low, so it's higher in the back and lower in the front. I kind of like these bobs better than that. It kind of gives it more of like some flavor instead of it just being like blunt. I dyed this hair with the Temptations color ginger and Cajun spice. At first I did the ginger color, and then I started doing Cajun spice, and then I put more ginger, more Cajun spice. So I was kind of going in like kind of alternating the dyes, but then eventually I just put it all in there. So either way.
So I wanted to replay this part just to clarify that I filled the pot up halfway with hot water, and I only used 1 ginger and 1 Cajun spice color, but I used all the product from each bottle.
Either way, it would give you this color. This is like a orange. I'm like assuming like a sunsetty orange color. Hey Malu, my cat making a guest appearance. He hates when I pick him up, but it's okay. To me, from the camera and in person, this like gives off pretty much the same color. Okay, so now let's get into the pros and the cons of this hair. So a con was that it tangled when it was wet. I'm not sure if it's because I took it out the hot water and ran cold water right over it when the dye was still in the hair. That might have been a factor, because I should have kept the same energy and kept the, you know, lukewarm hot when I was rinsing it out. But yeah, I put it directly in like cold water, so that could have been a factor. So I did get my detangling brush. I love it. It's like a shampoo brush that I use for my wigs. I use it for my own hair, but it wasn't really getting the tangles out how I wanted it to. So I was like, let me just grab the conditioner, put some conditioner on it, and just stick it in the microwave. So right when I put the conditioner on it though, it like the knots came right out. It was like magic almost. So, you know, I guess it just needed some moisture, some conditioner, some love. So after that, tangling was no problem. Even after I rinsed it out, dried it, put it on my mannequin head to blow dry and flat iron it, it was fine. Right now there's no tangling. Right now there's no shedding. I'm not getting any hair in my hands, so that's a good thing. I did like that it took the color. What I can note is that the roots right here are actually lighter than the rest of the hair. Let me try to zoom in. I need to add concealer, y'all. Just ignore that. I just noticed that I needed to add concealer. Don't bash me. Hello, he's up there playing with my cap. Go get it. I want to do some photo shoots in this. I want to wear this out stunt, you know. It looks cute. I look like a baddie. A baddie. Hey, like a baddie. Hey, hey, baddie. Hey, 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 hey. I'm giving them Velma tees that I can't see without my glasses tees.
My glasses! I can't see without them.
But yeah, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Say bye, Mawo. Bye. He hates me.